Hi everyone, welcome back to another workshop. World of Games Roblox here, and today this is our second workshop on how to be a YouTuber. It's currently about 12 or so. I don't know exactly. I'm not watching the time. But welcome to the workshop. It's early morning. Okay, today's workshop's calendar. We have a question and answers again. How to be a successful YouTuber, content making ideas, fun games, confidence building, brainstorming ideas, and a bye-bye session. Because who doesn't like a bye-bye session? Well, on to the next page. It's time for the question and answers. What do I make first? What should I do? What should I do? Make videos first or make a channel first? Okay, yeah, in the first two time sets. I recommend making videos first and then you just watch it and share it with your friends, because then you know if they like it or if they feel interested in it. Then I think you should make a channel or do not, because it's better trying to get things done before than getting discouraged at the end. You don't want people in the comments like, hey, you should not do this and all. But if that happens, you just give it to a lot of your friends and all, and if they really like it, then I'm not saying to exactly ignore them, but I'm not also taking it in the way that you should just think about it or you should be upset. But any suggestions on the monitoring video editing softwares? Yes, I do. There's a link down below in the description in case you want to know. Let's just open my Discord here. Oh, okay. What do you do when any good streaming mic and computer? Yes. That does not crash in Minecraft. Yes, there's a link in the description. Is Twitch good for streaming? Well, yeah. I have my own Twitch. Link in the description. Make sure to follow me. I post down the links of the workshops right over here, so in case you need it. What do I do when I hit 100 subscribers? Well, we celebrate. You make more platforms. I made a Discord for 60 subscribers, then I make a Twitch account for 100. What do I do if your device cannot play particular games? I think you should what kind of games are you talking about? Fall Guys games or Minecraft games? If it's Minecraft games, I suggest playing a different game, because Minecraft is really laggy and it isn't also being played on my device. When do you think I should make an Instagram account or a Facebook account? I think you should make it when you have a big subscriber base, about 200 subscribers near that. Okay, we're done with the question and answers. Yeah, I gave you the answer of that. How to be a successful YouTuber? Well, to be a successful YouTuber, you need a lot of ideas. So if I just pop up my channel, I think I have to link on Twitch. HTTPS. Just copy this link, paste it in a new tab. We have World of Games Roblox. So you should start by things really small things. I saw an idea on YouTube and I was oh wow, this looks like a really good idea. So I made my first idea on how to escape prison. And as you can see, hang on, let it go. my voice was not that loud, and like I don't even think you could have heard me this whole bit. And you can see this whole bottom line. Yeah, that is one thing. But now in my videos, so I didn't even have a good description. But if you take the $1 Million Miracle one, you can see there's not a big line like this here. So that's something you can do in Roblox, and I feel it's a very good idea. Well, I also recommend thinking on content ideas and brainstorming ideas, or playing the game before you do it. And do not add a wrong title to the video, because that makes people start to dislike the video. Click this button. So yeah, make sure you have a good description, Then you have a lot of comments like this one, and you also have a bit of comments you don't like this one, like this, voice too low. You don't want to see it at all, but take that as an improvement. But unlike yesterday's workshop video, you can see it's a very good description. I left a link, and people are liking it, Someone's saying thanks, someone's saying good going. So people are liking those even more. And I also recommend, if you can't live stream in your area, don't worry, you're like me. Premiering your videos like this. I'll be posting this video by 12. We're live at the moment, but you can see there's some live chat, or you can, if you were a bit too early, you could have seen a bit of premiere kind of thing there. Oh my, what just happened? So yeah, make sure you premiere your videos, and make sure you add this kind of small thing like and subscribe at the bottom. I don't exactly have I don't have the editing software yet, so yeah, I don't have the editing software at the moment, but you can see it right on how to be a successful one, and I'll leave a link in the description. Well, content making ideas. You can make the tallest Lego tower, you can attempt, and make sure you aren't copying these ideas. Make sure you're creative. You can teach them how to make a PPT. I made this PPT for this. You can teach them how to do it, or how to make something in Microsoft Excel, like that. But if you're copying someone's video or someone's song, make sure you leave a whole thing in the description, who you copied it from, and the credit goes to them, because you do not want something like this. It's a copyright strike. I have one on my channel. I don't know who added it, but see, if I get 3 copyright strikes, my channel gets deleted. So yeah, that's one thing. So you can make a lot of ideas. Say, you're gonna be attempting to make the a stick and the marshmallow challenge, where you make a huge tower and connect them together, or you can show them how to operate a particular device or game. On this video, I was showing jailbreak secrets, my second video, and that's one of my most popular videos. It has 236 views. If you teach someone, even if you have a very bad subscriber base, it still gives a lot of views, and that really helps. And make sure your title is good, but not you're faking it, I added Roblox jailbreak secrets, and I actually showed some, but Like there are people I've seen on YouTube who like fake most of their things in videos, and people just stick to see it like, hey, what's gonna happen next? I want to see this, and so that's not what you want to do, because that's not good. So those are some ideas, like you can be crushing the most expensive car in the game, or you can teach them how to set up your screen recorder. Like I taught them how to set up OBS. So yeah, you can live stream. Like I did one. I make sure you tell them about it like a few days ago. Like I'm gonna be live streaming now. Make sure you watch it, because most people like live streams. They have a live chat. I turned mine off, but I had a very bad description at that time, as you could see. So yeah, live streaming is a very good idea. Fun games. It's time for fun games on confidence building. So right now, like I know we can like hear anyone who's watching, but I want you, even if you're in an empty room, I want you to practice something like an intro. So like whenever you're in an empty room, you just practice your intro, ending, and anything. Like practice speaking. Like if I need to practice my intro, hi everyone, welcome back to another video where the game show blocks here. So that's my intro. My exit, like when I'm about to close the video, it's going to be like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Something like that. So make sure it's very energetic. So that's one thing you should try. It's like really helpful. Brainstorming ideas. This is my favorite thing. So I just think of ideas. I even ask my friends like, what should I do? I'm like really bored. So it's like, should I teach them how to get $1 million in jailbreak? Or should I do try not to get arrested challenges? Or should I teach them how to win every Fall Guys game? Or can I survive this 100-story house? Like it's a down. I'm gonna be crushing $1 million vehicle. And a workshop on how to be a successful YouTuber. So all those ideas are taught by yourself or your friends. Do not steal them from other YouTubers. Well, it's a bye-bye session. Like I can give you guys about 2 minutes on the stream. So yeah, bye. So this is today's workshop. It was a very good workshop. Like I really enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give a like, comment down below any ideas, subscribe with the notification bell on, do all. Check out the links down below in the description, of all those things you need. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!